Hi guys, so this is going to be a multi-part series on the restoration of my grandfather's old axe here. As you can see, it's in poor shape. It has chipping along the edge. It has surface rust. It has very bad mushrooming on it. Now, this axe is probably going to be far better splitting than it is for chopping and felling trees because of how thick and how wide that taper is. You know, how wide it is. An axe that I really like to take into the field frequently is this woodworker's axe, this Husqvarna. And it has a far thinner taper on it. Yeah, I'll take this. Compare the two. Just look at that. I don't know if you see that very well, but it's intense. The handle on this was completely incorrect. The grain on it. Grain on an axe handle should be running, I guess, well, straight like this, or fairly straight. It was going complete wrong way. So another thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be reprofiling it. Get those chips out. Sorry, I just bumped the tripod. Get those chips out and make this a sharp convex, a pretty fat one too, so it's better for splitting. And for me, it's just far easier to maintain a sharp edge with a convex edge on a knife or a machete, or not really a machete, but on an axe. So I can see some markings on here. This one I can make out, it says US 92. And then over here, I can't tell. It looks like a 4 with like a Triforce of Power thing on there. I can't tell. You might be able to tell once we get the rust off. So what we're going to be doing in this series, I'm going to show me sanding it and reprofiling it. I'm going to show me painting it and sharpening it. And then I'm going to show me hanging the head, and then maybe testing it a little bit. So that's all for tonight, guys. See you next time.